we are the Group 5 and we are going to present our activity in Internet research. For our introduction, office management and organizational behavior are two crucial fields in the study of management and business operations. They focus on enhancing the efficiency, productivity, and effectiveness of individuals and teams within an organization. We use terms that were relevant to our research to improve the effectiveness of our research. For instance, we could look at terms like office management, organizational behavior, employee engagement, and workplace culture. We also employ the specialized search method known as Boolean operators such as AND or and not to formulate the specific search queries. But the usually ginamit po namin is the AND operator. This made it easier for us to locate what we're looking for. For example, performing a search for office management and employment gauge. Bali yung ginamit po namin na operator is and might provide articles that address both subjects we're looking for, organizational behavior or workplace culture. Dito naman po is ginamit namin yung or operator. Will provide us with a more comprehensive understanding of either topic. Bali yung pinaka-result namin is hanap namin yung article na relevant sa aming topic. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.
Related Article 1. When organization want their employee to adopt behavior that advance procedural and instrumental aims, which motive should they express? Groundswell of recent work suggests that highlighting procedural action inspire and motives employee building on the work we embrace a field experiment in the content of an organizational change initiative. Amingdual, Matthew Feldblum, Ivan P. 2021, True Motives, Procedural and Instrumental Justification for Behavioral Change in Organization. Related Article 2. Projects Management Offices and Project Portfolio Management Offices, PPMO. It is still unclear whether PPMO contribute to business success. This study explores.
Article 3. This article focuses on the challenges women face in the construction industry. It highlights the importance of addressing the leaky pipeline by attracting more women to management roles and supporting their career progression. The article suggests that gender inequality in the construction industry is often caused by glass walls and glass ceilings, which are barriers to entry and advancement for women. Article 4. This article explores the factors that influence innovative behavior among flight instructors in Indonesia. The study uses a quantitative approach, which a survey method to investigate the relationship between organizational culture, job satisfaction, and professional commitment on innovative behavior.
In summary, the Article 5 that we use to support our activity is to enhance our topic. Office management and organizational behavior are integral components of a productive and efficient workplace. The seamless functioning of an office depends on how well management structures are in place and how employees interact within the organization. By understanding key elements such as leadership styles, communication, motivation, and change management, businesses can foster an environment conducive to growth and performance.
Hello again. For our bibliography part in our presentation is gumawa ko kami ng proper citation, which is yung ginamit po namin is APA citation to avoid copyright and plagiarism po from the sources that we use po or kinuha po namin from the EBSCOs. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Good day everyone. In this presentation, we are now jump into the last part, wherein it is all about the conclusion and the discussions. Now in step 7, according to the number 1 statement, we need to reflect only on the search process. Discuss what strategies work well during the search processes and what could be improved. And the question here is, were there any challenges in finding the relevant sources? Now, in the process of finding the related or the relevant sources of articles, we made it on the way of strategizing by means of analyzing first what the articles all about, and the next steps is finding out what the keyword of the topic given. For us to get all the results from the searching process only, what related to the specific topic. In accord with it, some of the way and or the instructional step-by-step process was given. So the basic tips on how could it be possibly successful was very helpful, especially that the search engine or this application used was convenient and useful tools to consider. And the next one is the number 2. We need to consider the next steps. So based on the source found, identify the next steps in your research. And the question here is, what areas need further exploration, and how might you refine your questions or your methodology? So here in number 2, we are now talking about the source found on the process of finding the related articles, and also the next thing to do and research. And based on the results, all of the articles was given are all related. So what should be the next steps? Now the next thing to do is it should be followed by analyzing and evaluating the article's credibility. It also needs for evaluations the results because all of the important information was given and it can clearly understood. It could help us in an easy way to better understand the ideas of the specific topics and get only what suits or fits on our research. And this, it is because there are so many reliable articles given from the result on finding the related articles. So on exploring, on reading, analyzing, we need to read all of the results for us to explore and find only what best that we are looking for. And in the aspects of finding the answers to these problems or process of looking for the articles, we simply refine or remove the hindrance and answer the questions easily. That's why we have now the finished product.